students, today we are going to learn a new lesson. Okay, it is a poem, a tragic story. Okay, this poem we are going to learn today. Okay, now take your book, page number 97. Reading junction. How do you feel when you are confused about not finding a solution to your problem? Let us read about a man who felt the same. See here, one man is here. He have one problem. It is a humorous poem. Okay, it is a funny poem, comedy poem. Okay, let me see. He has one problem. How he can solve it? Okay, how he can solve it, or he felt the same, or did he find the answer for this? Let me see. Yes. There lived a man in days of yore. What is meant by yore? Yore means long ago or in olden days, olden times, which means in the story we can start the story, right? Once upon a time, yes, like that. Here the poem is started with there lived a man in days of yore. Or means முந்தைய காலத்துல, okay? ஒரு காலத்துல ஒரு மனுஷன் இருந்தாங்க. Okay, like this the poem is starting. And he a handsome pigtail wore. Pigtail, what is meant by pigtail? Pigtail means it is a hair, a plaited lock of hair on singly at the back or on each side of the head, which means in the school days we can put the hair as a pigtail, right? Which means pinni போடுறதுன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க, தலையை பின்னி போடுறது. ஓகே, ஹேரை நல்லா டைட்டாக கெட்டி போடுறது. இட் இஸ் இன் ஒன் சைட் ஆர் இன் போத் சைட். ஓகே, இட் இஸ் அ பிக்டெயில். சி, ஒன் மேன் ஹேஸ் த பிக்டெயில். ஒரு மனுஷன் இருக்காரு, அந்த மனுஷனுக்கு என்ன இருக்கு? முடி பின்னி போட்டிருக்காரு. ஓகேவா, தலை நீளமாக பின்னி போட்டிருக்காரு. சி தட் பிக்சர்? எஸ். Or means அணிந்திருந்தார், which he has that hair as a pigtail, right? So that is pigtail or. But wondered much and sorrowed more. But wondered much, அவர் ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமாவே இருந்தாரு, and sorrowed more. What is mean by sorrowed more? அதை விட ரொம்ப கவலையாவும் இருந்தாரு. ஓகேவா? He has one problem. What is the problem? Let me see. Yes. Because it hung behind him. See, the hair is behind him. It is the big problem for him. All have the hair at the back, right? He has the too long hair, so he has the pigtail. அதை வந்து பின்னி போட்டிருக்காங்க. ஓகேவா? So it is the big problem for him. Okay, see, because it hung behind him. அதை நினைச்சு சந்தோஷமா படுறாங்க, நீளமா இருக்கு அப்படின்னு சொல்லி சந்தோஷப்படுறாரு. அதே நேரத்துல பின்னாடி இருக்குன்னு சொல்லி என்ன செய்யறாரு? ரொம்ப வருத்தப்படுறாரு. He mused upon this curious case. See, in the first stanza of the poem, did you find the rhyming words? Yes, what are the rhyming words you find there? Yes, your, or, and more. Okay, your, more, your, or, and more. This is the rhyming word. Fine. Did you give the rhyming scheme for this poem? Rhyme scheme? Yes. What is the rhyme scheme? These all A, right? So A. Next, see last line. It hung behind him. So it is another one. So we want to give another rhyming scheme. Okay, another pattern for this. Okay, now next let me move to the next stanza. He mused. What is mean by muse? Be absorbed in thought. Okay, absorbed in thought means he is thinking. Okay, he mused upon this curious case. அவர் மண்டையை போட்டு இந்த கேஸ் ரொம்ப என்ன செஞ்சிட்டு இருக்கு? உருட்டிக்கிட்டே இருக்கு. ஏன் இப்படி பின்னாடி கிடக்கு? அது முன்னாடி வந்து இருக்க வேண்டியதானே, ஏன் பின்னாடி இருக்கு அப்படின்னு சொல்லி அவருக்கு இந்த கேஸ் வந்து பெரிய ப்ராப்ளமா இருக்கு. ஓகேவா? கியூரியஸ் கேஸ், இன்ட்ரெஸ்டா இருக்கு, இன்ட்ரெஸ்டிங் கேஸா இருக்கு. ஓகேவா? And so he did change the pigtail's place. And so இவருக்கு மனசுல கண்டிப்பா அந்த பிக்டைலோட பிளேஸ் என்ன செஞ்சணும்? மாத்தி ஆகணும். And so means சத்தியம் பண்றாரு. ஓகேவா? He promised that he did change the pigtail's place. கண்டிப்பா இந்த இதோட இடத்தை நான் மாத்துவேன், இது பின்னாடி கிடக்க என்னால பார்க்க முடியல. Like this he is feeling. And have it hanging at his face. And what is the wish for him? Yes, the pigtail should be in the face. See, it is a funny poem, right? Yes, see, and have it hanging at his face. He wishes that pigtail want to be in front of the face, not dangling there behind him. Dangling means hanging or swinging loosely. அதாவது லூஸா தொங்கக்கூடாது, நல்லா டைட்டா என்ன செய்யணும், அவருக்கு முன்னாடி இருக்கணும், பின்னாடி இருக்கக்கூடாது. சி, தலைமுடி வந்து முன்னாடி இருந்தா எப்படி இருக்கும்? we are not able to find the face, right? Yes, see, this is the funny poem. Okay, did you find the rhyming words? Yes, what are the words are rhyming here? Yes, case, place, face. Yes, okay, these also have the same rhyming scheme. See, case, place, face. For these we are giving a, and see next line behind him. For that we want to give the another pattern rhyme scheme. So B. Okay, next one. One day he said, one day, okay, one day he said, one day, now he is saying, that man is saying, the mystery I have found. Now he is very happy. I found, like that he is jumping and doing something. I found the mystery. Mystery na marmam. In the marmathukku, in the problemathu na solution kandupidichen, like that he is saying, I will turn the round. Now he is saying, enna senja sariyairum, I will turn the round. Na ennaye ipdi suttuna enna senjirum, sariyairum. He turned him around so that he is again and again he is round himself, but still it hung behind him. But still, now also when he stopped, the pigtail is behind him. See the poem? Yes. Okay, see, let me find the rhyming scheme. Yes, what are the words are rhyming scheme here? Yes, found, round. This is the rhyming scheme of the poem. Found, round. So let me give the rhyme scheme. It is the rhyming words, and let me give the rhyme scheme. Yes, A. This yes, said is A. Said we want to give A, and see, found, round. So for both we want to give B. Then him is there, so we want to give C. This is the rhyme scheme for this stanza. See, here in this in the beginning of this stanza he is saying, I found the solution for this problem, I found the solution for this mystery. Like that he is saying, I found, like that he is saying. Then he is saying his idea. What is the idea? If I round myself, the pigtail come to the next place. Like that he is thinking, but at the last the pigtail is behind him. Okay, now take next page, last stanza, page number 98. Then round and out and in. Now he is rounding himself. Now also he not find the answer, so that again he is doing round and round. உள்ள பார்த்து சுத்துறாரு, வெளியே பார்த்து சுத்துறாரு, உள்ள பார்த்து சுத்துறாரு, வெளியே பார்த்து சுத்துறாரு, இப்படி ஃபுல்லா சுத்தி பார்க்காரு. And all day the puzzle man did spin. All day means one day fully, one complete day, whole day. Okay va? He is round himself inside and outside, like the spin சுத்துற மாதிரி உள்ளேயும் வெளியே சுத்தி பார்க்காரு. Okay, and though he twist and trill and tap. See, twist means turn. Okay, he turned himself, and trill means spin around quickly and lightly in a repeated manner. Repeated manner means one time he is round inside and another time he is round outside. Like that he is round in, round out, round in, round out, like that fastly he is doing the whole day. Okay, and tag means stitch together. Like that he is continuously, okay, doing. The pigtail hangs behind him, and at the last, now also the pigtail, the hair is behind him. So see, okay, did you find this rhyming scheme? Yes, rhyming words. In, spin. In, spin is the rhyming word here. So how can we give the last stanza rhyme scheme? Yes, A, A, yes, spin, in spin, A, then B, then C. B and C are different words, so we are giving the different rhyme scheme pattern for this stanza. Okay, students? Okay, this poem is written by William Makepeace. William Makepeace Thackeray. Okay, William Makepeace Thackeray. Okay, William Makepeace Thackeray. This is the poem about a man who has the pigtail at his behind, at his back. Pigtail means mudi, pinnana mudi, tight up pinnana mudi. Okay, va? This is the major problem for that man. He think that pigtail want to be changed into another place, so that he thinking and he is taking this thing as a case, interesting case, and he is thinking over and find the solution, and he is shouting. Then he then he give the idea. What is that idea? If I round myself means the pigtail can change the place, so that he is round himself in and round, but at the last he not found the solution for this problem. At the last the pigtail of him is behind him. Okay, this poem is written by William Makepeace Thackeray. This is the funny poem. Okay, and we learned the rhyming words and also rhyme scheme for this poem. And now it is a homework time. Your homework is first two stanza. Okay, learn and write the first two stanza of this poem, and also learn rhyming words. Okay, learn rhyming words and antonyms, synonyms, and synonyms is not your homework. Okay, learn and write the poem. Rhyming words is easy, right? So rhyming words and antonyms, this is your homework. Okay, students, I hope you all enjoyed this poem. Thank you, students.